Hello friends. So in today's session, I'm going to explain you how to install Docker on CentOS 9. Okay. For this exercise, first of all, you have to create or build that VM with CentOS 9. So if you want to know how to create or build a VM with CentOS 9, that I already explained in my previous videos. If you want, I will give that link in the description. You can watch it. Okay. Fine. So you can see this is my VM. My VM name is non-prod server A, and with this is with CentOS 9. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to set the repository. Okay. So for setting the repository, what you have to do, you have to install the yum utilities. Okay. So you can see, I'm using sudo dnf install -y. Why I'm giving -y here? Because it should not ask after loading the package, automatically it will install. If I have not give the -y, it after loading the package, it will ask you, do you want to install or not? Yes or no. Okay. And yum utilities. Okay. So now you can see I'm giving a sudo, but I'm sudo why you cannot use when you installing with the root user. Sudo will you have to give only when you installing any package with non-root user. So for example, you have XYZ user, and through that you installing any package, and that user have a sudo access, then you can use the sudo. Okay. In my case, I'm using installing with root user, so I'm removing the sudo. Now let me hit enter. Okay, now when I hit enter, you can see it's showing that this package is already installed. Okay, so it's fine, it's not a problem. Now let me set again repository. So what I have to do now, I will again, if you see here, I'm using the yum config manager. So I'm going to set the repo first of all. Okay, yum config manager -fn add repo, and this is my repository link. Okay, so sudo and leave it that sudo again. Like if you installing with root user, they're not required. I'm hitting enter. Now you can see my repo is added. Okay, if you want to see this repo, you can go to the etc yum dot repo.d. So you can see here repo is set here, docker ca docker-ca dot repo. Now let me install a docker engine. Okay, for example, for that command, what command you have to use? Again, you have to use that dnf, or you can use the yum also. Both command will both utility will work. Okay, so I'm using a dnf install doc. So these are the packages you have to install: docker -ca, container d, and docker compose plugin. So these are the mandatory packages you have to install. Okay, so dnf install and give the package name and just hit enter. So it will take see, I'm not giving here y. So it's asking after loading the package. See, is this okay, yes or no? So I will give yes. So it will go and it will install. So whatever the package name I given here, you can see all the package and their dependency is showing here. I press yes and then I hit enter. So now this package starting the installation. Yes. So it's asking this key, that finger print, this key is okay or not, yes or no. You can give yes. Okay, so it's a completed. Now what you have to do, system ctl status docker. If you see, it's a docker is installed but it's inactive. So what you have to do, you have to start the docker. Now if you run the status, you can see it's showing that docker is installed. So this is very easy and quick way you can install the docker container on your system with on CentOS 9 or any like Linux version. Okay, so same thing I uploaded in my GitHub also. If you want, you can go. I will give the link here, and you can easily to install. Now you can see, if you want to create a container also. Okay, for example, for testing purpose, I will create the one a small hello world container. Okay, so let me see that container is now creating a node. So sudo docker run hello -world. If I hitting enter, you can see it, it's a creating now. You can wait for unable to find the image that hello world. Okay, that's okay. So now if you let me run that docker ps minus a, see it's a created. If you give the docker ps, it will not show here. See, it's not. Let me run again. See, docker ps, it's not showing any container, right? If I give in a docker ps hyphen a, then it's showing. Why? Because my container, if you see, my container status is at exit. So if you give the docker ps, it will show only the running container. Okay. If you have any exit container on any other state, that also it will show through the docker ps hyphen a. Okay. So I hope you like this video. So please subscribe my channel, comment and share it. Thank you. Thanks for your